Okay, you have a good one. Did I give you, I don't know if I gave you a pen already. Did I give you one? Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. Awesome. Well, maybe I'll see you next year here. I won't be in the 12 uniform, but I may be here. So.
I take photos.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. What did you think? Today was actually a different show than you saw yesterday. See how we did loops today and made a heart? We didn't do that yesterday. That's cool. Did you like the heart? That's very cool. I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, the straight up, the brick rolls. That was a new one today as well. About to wrap it up. That's cool. And you saw when they all burst apart and went straight up to the middle.
Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the Blue Angels 2022.
A big round of applause, if you will, for Lieutenant Commander.
Pleasure to hand the mic back to the voice of the Aerospace Valley Air Show, Mr. Rick J. Primo, you rock!
Now have some water and hydrate.
Sure. Hi, how's it going? Did you enjoy the show? Thanks for being out to the very end.
What's your name?
Got it.
You as well. Thank you. No? Alright. I get scared sometimes, but let's sneak past
Here, I'm gonna write. Actually, if you want to turn around, I'll write on it. Yeah. Awesome. That is so awesome.
Hey, it's Sarah. I'm sad to have missed you, and I hope that you get well soon, and I'll see you at the Nellis Air Show for Aviation Nation. Thank you.
Hey, sorry you didn't get a chance to come back here. I hope you get well soon. Hang in there. It's your first time seeing the show? Second time? I hear the music when I fly, so I always like watching the show.
Thanks for being out here today. Got to get up to it.
Not this year, next year. Yeah, it's on the back. I'll go. So we start way up there, so that way, the first time you flip over, you're not used to how much to push and what the feeling is. You usually start descending like that, which obviously is not a good thing. Or then you overreact, you start pushing too hard, and then you're like pushing negative 2-3 Gs, which is not fun either. But then over time, you get it leveled out.
I sure will.
How are you doing today? Katy Perry? That's a good one. You go to Fadi's one day?
Hey, thanks for coming out.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming and spending your Saturday with us. I hope you had fun.
How did our Delta burst look? Did it look like a firework?
You start out as being in the Air Force. There you go. Okay, cool. I can do these. Yes. You did 26 in the Air Force? Wow. You were in Vietnam? You did? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for coming out. Here's just for you. You're welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout.